Lake Sumter Home Watch is the premier home watch serving residents in the Villages, Plantation, and Royal Highlands in Central Florida. We are accredited by the National Home Watch Association, have insurance designed specifically for home watch businesses, are bonded, and we wear professional quality body cameras on every visit so you can watch us watch your home. Visit our webpage at lakesumterhomewatch.com to review our services and schedule a free consultation today, or call us at 352-787-5202. We are offering a 20% discount for the first year to all new customers who sign an annual contract prior to March 1st. So don't delay and call Lake Sumter Home Watch to schedule a free consultation today.